like this 2011 Audi S5 equipped with leather interior, red ambient LED lighting and headliner for front center console illumination, lockable glove box, and backlit instrument cluster with auto brightness control incorporated, tachometer, speedometer, digital clock with date, fuel gauge, coolant temperature gauge, digital trip odometer. The low mileage of 2,610 miles makes this S5 an easy choice for you.